How to use your Android phone as a remote control. Lost your TV remote? Don't worry, your Android phone can replace it. And here's how to turn your phone into a remote control. Most smart TVs have official remote apps. Download your TV brand's app from the Google Play Store and then connect your phone and TV to the same Wi Fi and pair them. If you want one app for multiple devices, try Google TV or Peel Smart Remote. This works with Wi-Fi, and some phones with IR blasters can control older models and appliances. For Roku, Fire TV, or Chromecast, download their official apps. You can navigate menus, launch apps, and even type searches using your phone's keyboard. Want to control your computer? Apps like Unified Remote or AnyDesk lets you use your phone as a mouse, keyboard, or media controller. Remember, most apps need Wi-Fi and only some phones have IR blasters. Always download apps from trusted sources to keep your phone secure. And that's how you use your Android phone as a remote control.